Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to make the most efficient iron farm in Bedrock. You will need 3 stone buttons, 1 hopper, 1 chest, 20 composters, 20 beds, 1 bucket of water, 1 bucket of lava, 20 villagers, 1 boat, 460 cobblestone or 7 stacks plus 12, 53 cobblestone slabs, 39 leaves and 2 torches. If you enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe. You will need to do this in water. War motions will not work, so build up to the surface of the water. And then you need to make a 7 by 12 platform. This will only work in Bedrock. You will then need to fill this in to make it a platform. When you filled it in, it is probably the best time to bring in to the villagers, but since I'm in creative, I will not bring them in just now to make it easier. This is the best stage to bring the villagers. You're then going to place 5 composters and another 5 on top of them on both sides, just like this. You now want to place your 20 beds and not mess them up like I did. The bed color does not matter. You're now going to want to place walls. You need to make sure both villagers are in so that they don't fall into the ocean. You will need the roof to be this high so that if any baby villagers are on the bed when they grow up, they don't suffocate. You should place your 2 torches in the bedroom. You need to kill any nitwits and you can breed them using bread. You're now going to make the golem catcher walls. As you can see, it's already starting to spawn golems. This is where you'll place your water. To start, you're going to want to make this 7 long and 7 wide. I did the calculations wrong, but we will fix that in a second. And then we will do a diagonal across to get to the other place. You're going to have 3 blocks in both directions, including the center block. And you're going to put 2 extra blocks onto the end of this. You should now have only 1 place where there's no water. We will now make the collection system, so break a hole there and then you're going to go over to the other side and place 1 cobblestone block. You can remove this after. You'll need to place the chest and break that block and put a slab there. You're then going to put a hopper facing into the chest. You have to make sure it's facing into the chest. To test this, I put a red bed and went to check if it went into the chest. You're now going to expand the wall by 2 blocks. Now you're going to place slabs in the wall so that the golems don't spawn on the wall. You're now going to place buttons on these following locations. You need to do it on the cobblestone there, beside the slab. And then you have to go up 1 and to the side. There you will be placing your lava. And the golems will flow into it. Golems, when they die, will spawn 3 to 5 iron ingots. So with the constant flow of iron coming from the golems, it will go into the hopper and into the chest, which can be collected. In this video, I did actually forget to make a pathway to it, but you need to do that out of leaves. I'm very sorry for forgetting that. Now you need to place your leaves in 5 blocks out. This is your AFK place. You will then be able to build out a little bit to the side, 3 blocks in specific, and then you'll start to build your wall out of leaves. In this AFK spot, no trident drones or anything can knock you off, so it's completely safe. If you have any questions about the farm, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will try to answer them. You now want to make your staircase down, so just place leaves just like this. The leaves are placed so you can't get up them, which means mobs can't dive so they can't get to your AFK spot. The only way to is to get your boat up onto it and then you can climb your way up. I will now AFK for 10 minutes and when we times that by 6 it will tell us how much it makes per hour. We receive 48 iron ingots, so that times 6 would be 288, which is equivalent to 4 stacks and 32 extra iron. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.